How to create an ebook in Canva. Creating an ebook in Canva offers a user-friendly platform to design visually appealing and professional-looking publications. Now here is my Canva homepage, and all I have to do is go here in the search bar, and then I'm just going to type here ebook. So after that, you will see this appear ebook template. Go ahead and click that one. Alright, and here you have a lot of options for you to use. However, most of them are paid. For example, this one here, this is Canva Pro. There are free versions, however, and we want to use the free version. So all we have to do is go here and click the all filters, and then we can just go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here free. Go ahead and click that one and hit apply. Alright, there you go. So here are free options that you can use. They're definitely free for you, and you don't need to pay anything at all. So say for example this one here, and if I'm going to hover my mouse here, you can see that it will show you all the pages in that particular design. So I'm just going to click this one, and you should see here customize this template. Go ahead and click that one. Alright, so this is where the fun begins. Now in here you can definitely go ahead and change the background. You can change everything here, like the text, the titles, the names, the website, and basically everything. For example, if I were to change this one, all I have to do is just delete this one and definitely put a new one. Say for example, I'm going to try to find something. Alright, so say for example, if I were to put it here. Alright, there you go. And yeah, something like that. I can definitely edit it as much as I want. Now let's try to bring that back. I like the old design. Alright, this one here. I like the color palette in this picture. I think this is pretty amazing one, so I'm just going to scroll down here, and in here you can definitely change everything as well. All you have to do is just highlight everything. Say for example, if you want to have more chapter, you can just go ahead and copy this one, and then for the first 5 chapters you can put it at the side, say for example like that, and I'm going to paste the other one that I copied earlier. Alright, and then we're going to put it also say for example in here. Okay, and then I can just go ahead and edit everything. Say for example the chapter, so this is going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Alright, yeah, something like that. And then you can also change this one. Again, this is the author. It's up to you what you're going to do, or you can also have it removed. So yeah, something like that. And then for the title, let's make it a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the bold and then increase the size in here. Alright, I think that's good. Now we're going to scroll down here, and this is chapter 1, basically the same pattern as earlier. You can definitely delete the background, change it. You can also change the text. Say for example, if you want to change the text in here, you can just click this one and say for example use this. And then you can also change the color by clicking this one here, and let's say okay, this one. Alright, I think that's still visible, and I think it matches the color palette. So yeah, you can definitely change everything. And then this is where it gets interesting. So you have here chapter 1. You can then go ahead and start typing your ebook. Now say for example you're going to want to add a page, you can just definitely hit this one in order for you to add a blank page, and you can just go ahead and start from the scratch, or you can also just click this one here in order to duplicate it and just basically follow the same pattern as the one that you already have. Now say for example I want to add an image in here. All I have to do really is just bring this one down below, and then this one as well, and then you can go ahead and start adding an image here at the top. Say for example we're going to choose something from here. Alright, this one for example. I can just go ahead and put it here and then resize it in order for it to fit better, or I can put it in here as well and then drag this line here at the top. Alright, something like that. And yeah, that's basically what you can do. Or you can also bring this back down below and then put this in the center. And yes, sky's the limit. That's how you're going to do it. Now say for example you're done with everything, you can just go ahead and click the share button here, and then you can go ahead and download this one. For the format or file type, make sure that you are using PDF print. As stated here, it is going to be the best for printing. And then you make sure that you have selected all the 5 pages, not just one. Color profile, RGB, best for digital use. And then you're going to click this one here in order to download everything. And yes, congratulations everyone. That is how you're going to create an ebook here in Canva. And if you are thinking to quickly grow on YouTube, the full version of TubeBuddy is perfect for you, as it can help you accelerate that growth tremendously. Use the affiliate link below to get a discount on your next TubeBuddy subscription today. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.